Looking to move out of the city, but not too far out of the city, and you want to live near the water in a beautiful house with a beautiful yard? Say no more. This house is 3,100 square feet. It's nice and open. You're standing in a beautiful kitchen right now with granite countertops, KitchenAid appliances, and check this out. You've got a spot for your Pinot Gris, Riesling, Chardonnay, Sauv Blanc, Syrah, Merlot, and beer. Real hardwood floors, and take a look at this beautiful yard. And this garage is big. And there's a downstairs which I'd show you, but I gotta go.